Namaste, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen.
Today we have made this very tasty bitter gourd dry sabji. You will really love the taste. It will go very well both with chapatis as well as rice. Let's see how to make.
For this, I have taken 2 bitter gourds, washed it well. We'll just trim the edges. Remove the seeds and make thin slices out of them. I have chopped one onion also into slices. Now to the bitter gourd, we'll add some salt. Mix it well and just keep it aside. Now heat oil in a pan. Add some mustard seeds, Urad, Jeera, Channa, some Hing. When the dals are brown, add in the onions and the curry leaves. Now when the onions become slightly transparent, squeeze out this sliced bitter gourd. See, by keeping them in the salt, they softened also, and it also helps to remove a little bit of the bitterness. Now we can add all the spices. First we'll add turmeric powder, chilli powder. As I have already added salt earlier, I am not adding salt now. Mix it all well together. Now just sprinkle some water on it. Cover it and cook it on a low to medium flame till done. After about 5 minutes, just open it and check. If required, you can add a little bit more water. Again cover it and continue cooking till done. So while our sabji is cooking, let's make some chapatis. Here I have already kneaded the dough. Now let's have a look at our sabji. It is cooked nicely. Only after the bitter gourd has cooked well, then you add in this tamarind paste. I have tamarind paste, I am adding just about a quarter teaspoon. If you don't have that, you can just take a small piece of tamarind, extract the juice and add. Cook it for 1 or 2 minutes. It's a good idea to use a heavy iron kadai for making this. It comes out very well. Finally, I am adding a teaspoon of this jaggery powder. This is entirely optional. If you are making for a diabetic, you can avoid the jaggery powder, or if you like the taste, you can add. We all are aware that bitter gourd is very good for diabetics, and recently I heard an Ayurvedic doctor saying that more than just taking the juice, when you eat it as a sabji, as a side dish, you get all the fibre in it, and that is much more beneficial to keep your sugar levels under control. See, after a minute or so, your bitter gourd sabji is Done and ready. Definitely try out this way of making it. Even people who stay away from bitter gourd will start liking the vegetable. So we'll serve it with our chapatis. You can have it for breakfast or lunch too. And as a general rule, always include plenty of fibre in your diet. So you have some raw vegetable salad here and this bitter gourd sabji. This goes very well with rice too. Even just plain curd rice and this bitter gourd. You can even mix a little bit of this in steaming hot rice. It's very, very delicious. Definitely try out this recipe. Share it with your family and friends. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to Geeta's Kitchen and we'll meet again with another interesting episode from Geeta's Kitchen. Thank you.